So when was the last time you brushed your cycle's teeth? So half this country is in lockdown right now, and well, a lot of us are not able to ride despite the fact that the roads are empty and it's actually a very good time to cycle, but because of fear of corona we are not going out and riding. What can we do? Well, we can brush our cycle's teeth. Basically, I'm talking about drivetrain maintenance. So what do you need to brush your cycle's teeth? A toothbrush or two and a dishwashing liquid diluted down with water. Take your toothbrushes, put them like this with the brushes facing each other, and at one end put a rubber band. So put this in a little tightly so that your toothbrushes are together. Now there will be a little gap, that's okay, you can always press down a little bit. Now cleaning your chain. Now start cleaning. Periodically keep dipping the brush into your soap water and use that to clean your chain. Clean the chain fully on all sides and keep rotating it so that your entire chain is cleaned. And now brushing your teeth, that is our cassette's teeth. Take out the rubber band and use each toothbrush separately. Brush between the teeth and take out as much grit as possible. Clean your derailleurs too, as that will help to make sure that your shifting is clean. Next, your crank. Once again, brush the teeth. And clean your front derailleur too. And once the drivetrain is clean, you can go ahead and clean the rest of your bike using nice clean water. To wipe down the bike, you take a nice clean cloth, preferably cotton because it's soft and will not scratch the paint. Don't forget to use this cloth to wipe down your drivetrain too. This is because you have just cleaned it and it's dry. It needs to be lubed up. But before lubing it up, you need to take out the water. So clean it up first. So once the drivetrain is dry, take your favorite lube. My favorite is Lube, but I'm out of it right now, and thanks to lockdown, I cannot get a supply. So I'm going to use this lube to lube up my drivetrain. Do not put excessive lube, it's not good. Just put it so that it's little thing. Even if it's not spread out and it's lumped up in certain areas, do not worry about it. When you ride it, it will spread out evenly. For now, I put in the lube and, well, spin the wheel to spread the lube around. So that's it for now. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Do share with your friends. And until next time, safe ride everyone.